Hello world, welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are here today with project number 13. Let me see, I think yes, we are on project number 13, funny Python series. And in this particular project, I am going to show you how to build a calendar. Of course, I am not going to talk about line by line codes. I am going to show you a high level picture of the code and how to run it and leave the code in my GitHub. You can take the code and run it, of course. In case if you need any help in deploying that code on your system, either Jetson Nano or on your Windows machine or any of the Linux machine, do reach out to me. I will help you, right? There you may require some supporting packages as well. So anyways, in the calendar application, we are going to build a GUI base, same using Tkinter. And basically, if you go through the Tkinter wiki, you can understand what exactly that particular library does. So Python provides Tkinter to develop GUI application. It just does GUI. We can also in the later series use this for building mobile apps as well. Now it's up to you how you can build your skills and imagination to keep building upon that. Now whatever you want, you can build it. Of course, you will need to master the skills. That is what I'm talking about, zero to hero, right? Now let me just share the IDE. So this is a pretty simple about what 36 lines of code including the spaces in between. So basically I'm importing the Tkinter library and from that particular library I am also importing calendar, and then I'm defining certain functions on the GUI stuff, what it has to be done, what should be the size and what should be the color and stuff like that. And then I am also putting some driver code here, and this particular code drives your matrices, nothing but the matrices. And then I am putting the widgets into the specific position of that particular app. So that's all it does, and it goes into the loop. So it's pretty interesting, guys. So let me run this code and we will see what happens. All right, now let me run this, and you can see a beautiful small little calendar. Now you might be wondering, you might be imagining, oh my god, this doesn't look like a calendar. Well guys, this does ton loads of things, right? So you can go back in the past of 100 years before and go into the future as well. You can look into any year's calendar. Here if you see, if I say 1942 and show calendar, it shows 1942 calendar. Can you see here? From January to December, the entire. You can just cross verify this with Google. It's absolutely accurate dates and the day and the month, right? Let me go to the future. We are in 2021. Let's go to 2023. All right, this is 2023, right? You can see the entire calendar popping up. All right, guys, so this is what the application is now. Use your imagination. We can do ton loads of things, guys. In the last couple of videos, whatever I showed you, try to build all those things together into the calendar app. It's going to create magic. Of course, in the upcoming lessons, I'm going to show you how to add buttons and stuff like that. It's going to get really, really interesting, and we can build ton loads of gaming app as well. All right, guys, see you soon, and that's it for this particular lesson. If you have any doubts, if you need any clarification on this code from my GitHub, I'll be very, very happy to walk you through line by line how it works. Every line I can explain, and I can train you one-on-one, hands-on. It's going to be purely one-on-one series. So do not hesitate, reach me out on my WhatsApp or email. I'll be happy to schedule a one-on-one with you. Goodbye guys, bye bye.